comparison review between the Lakme and the Neo bag. But for now, proceed muna tayo sa details ni Lakme. So, kilalanin muna natin si Lakme dahil siya yung bago sa paningin natin. So guys, sobrang attracted ako dito sa bag na to. Especially the color. So this color is prune and available din siya in other colors guys. Pero ito, ang ganda kasi nakakaputi. Medyo classy yung color niya. So now let's start with the material guys. So this bag is made of a soft calfskin leather and it features this Louis Vuitton signature twist lock closure. So here, so ganyan nga, iti-twist lang natin yan guys, and there. So open na siya. And it has this drawstring closure on both sides. Ayan. So pwede natin siyang i-adjust, depende sa laman ng bag. And also it has this strap which you can wear as a shoulder carry bag, or we can adjust this habaan guys to turn it into a crossbody bag. Here. Yan. So crossbody na siya. Yeah. Okay. And also, let's proceed sa interior niya. So this bag is made of a microfiber material lining inside, and it has the zip pocket plus extra flat pocket for your smartphones. And also it has a silver tone hardware. And another thing that I like in this bag is that it has this key belt. Yan. So pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng susi dito. The SRP of this bag is $2,840 plus tax, or roughly around 150,000 pesos. The size of this bag is 10.6 inches in height, 9.6 inches in length, and 5.9 inches in width. So medyo, for me, okay yung size niya. So now guys, let's compare the two bags. First, of course, the material of the bag. So this Neo bag is made of a monogram canvas with calf leather trim. So this one is in drawstring closure, while the Lakme is in LV twist closure. Yeah, so there you can see the difference. Plus the hardware. So this Neo is made of gold tone hardware, while the Lakme is made of silver tone hardware. One major difference of the two bags is the strap. So first, the strap of the No bag is detachable, while yung sa Lakme, naka-attach na talaga siya. So hindi mo siya matatanggal. So here, yan. So since the strap is detachable, pwede mo siyang gamitan ng ibang straps na type mo. Yan. So, kung meron ka ibang mga long strap, so pwede mo siyang palitan ng strap. And also, parehas naman sila na adjustable guys. So, you can wear this also as a shoulder carry or as a crossbody. But, another difference is yung width ng strap. So, as you can see, mas makapal yung strap ni Lakme. Is for me mas better yung mas makapal kasi mas lesser yung stress sa shoulder natin. So hindi siya ganon agad nakakangalay. Diba? Usually kapag manipis, sobrang parang masakit sa balikat. So siguro one reason why ginawa siyang detachable, para at least you have the option to change the strap of this bag. So next is the interior of the bag. Both bags is made of microfiber lining, but the difference is that the Neo has a divider. So yung zip pocket niya serves as a divider dun sa loob ng bag, while the Lakme, So, wala siyang divider, guys. Yung pocket niya is naka-attach lang sa gilid ng bag. When it comes to size, guys, hindi naman nagkakalayo yung measurement nila. Si Lakme, mas matangkad lang siya ng about 0.4 inch than the Neo No bag. But the Neo No is much wider of about 0.8 inch than the Lakme bag. So, technically, mas marami kang malalaman kay Neo No bag. Also, sa price comparison nila, Neo No is much more cheaper than the Lakme bag. I think, if I'm not mistaken, guys, the brand new price of this bag in LV stores is around 88,000 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. And for me, this Neo No bag is a perfect, simple design as a day bag. While yung Lakme, for me, medyo formal ng konti. So, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin for casual. So, that ends our video, guys. These 3 bags are for sale. You can check them in our shop in Market BGC or in Ayala Mall South Park in Alabang. And we also ship worldwide, so you can order online. You may visit our Instagram and Facebook account, LuxOnlinePH. And guys, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you again next time. Bye!